So I have my beautiful little assistants here, and they are going to try to demonstrate how to correctly do a burpee, all right? So can you guys do 5 burpees for the camera?
Yes.
All right? So when you go down, they have to touch their chest to the ground, and then when they come up, they have to make sure that they fully extend. So the big thing is getting all the way down and then getting all the way back up.
Oh no.
All right, I'm gonna ask Jenna to do one more. And one of the things that I notice a lot of kids when they do their burpees, when they go down, Jenna, you do one again. Notice how that she keeps her feet moving at the exact same time. Ready? Go ahead. So her feet go down, her feet go back, her feet jump up, and she stands up. A lot of times when kids are doing them, when they go down, they step 1 foot back, 1 foot back, do a push-up, 1 foot up, and then stand up. So what we're wanting people to do, if they need to, spread your feet apart wider so that when you put your hands down, you jump your feet back, even if they stay spread apart, and then go down and then come back up and then jump back up into position. All right? Good job.
Thank you.